Hey guys, do you have any idea of the Dolby effect of multi-particles effect? So hereby I will show you that how to really design a multifunctional particles effect inside this HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here I have come with the first time that how to design a Dolby particle effects. So here first of all I will tell you this code will so longer, so be careful and give you some time to understand about the code first, then copy it. And I'm just using the mark shadow for your inquiry or for your secureness that no line will be defected. So you will just follow up the marked code and keep it on your notepad, otherwise you will be in fault 40, like some kinds of lines will be defected. So now we are just starting. Here you can see the selected option I have used here, which is comes under the preset. So wait a minute, here just some misleading or misclicking. So now we are going on the main part of code. Here you can see the elemental functionalities has started, and first of all come to the set windows value. Here one algorithm has comes under this same code. So arc star map iter's glass. So we are using the predefined color value or color radiation declaring in these functionalities, and what option will show what kinds of color effect and the pictures. So we have grabbed some pictures from the online sources, like you can see here the particles effect behind particle Milky Way galaxy images I have used here. So when you click the maze, these types of elements will come. Actually in between we have used maximum function is randomized particle movement, which is comes under the asynchronous function. So you have actual knowledge, or you need to gather actual knowledge about the difference between the asynchronous function or the synchronous function. So hereby when you are going for the randomized functionalities, then you need to choose the asynchronous function, because the synchronous function will give you or give us a fixed amount of value. So here you can see the multi-color or multi-variable function we have used for the asynchronous function or the randomized value. So hereby just copied, and if you have any kinds of doubt you can ask me inside the comment box, or any kinds of extra additional query you can directly contact with us. Hereby we are just selecting the axis like Rx and Y. I know this is really very time consuming, but if you're going to learn about the randomized function or the asynchronous function, it will make around 4 to 5 months to get or better understanding. So I'm really very sorry for this long code, but it needs time to design, and within a short time I can't explain exactly. Here you can see the radiator and the color movement is defined inside this function. If I going to explain you particular function for the sixth option, it will take around 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So that I have minimized it into 10 minutes only. So if you just grab your time 10 minutes and copy the code as I marking, it can possibly you can copy the code within a very short time like 10 minutes and get the result like this way. Just wait a minute and copy the code. And only 4 minutes to left to complete this code. See the move diagonally, point, time, color, based reaction. So hereby you can guess the functionalities. How does it come? Point, color, direction means what point to what point the particle will go. The color variant, that when the particle will shift from this axis to that axis, what color will be moved or what color will be changed. So these types of uh, algorithm or some changes will comes under these functionalities, and hereby you can see the every loop variation, and this loop variation is just going higher and down, higher and down. It's just circulating. I mean, it's just circle or rotating method I have used, because when suppose the particle actual location is changing, but when you start from a particular direction, it will go up and down, right and left. So that's why you can see somewhere you can see the right, left, ups and downs functionalities here. So it will use for the direction. And now come to the maze. It is the last option, maze direction, and hereby you can see inside the animation. So this is the actually the animation delay. So we have just selected randomly 1000 means 1 second delay for every or each animation. I know if you completely copy the code and run it, when you will get the output, you will really feel interest about the code. So at the end I will give you some surprise. So I am announcing a gift for the first 5 successfully copied. First 5 person will get this gift who will perfectly copy this code and get the result exactly on this animation. So just copy the code and get the output and give me a message that you have get actual result. So I will give you the gift, and this gift is for worldwide. See, every times the asynchronous function is look like this way. So we are just end part of this code and almost end. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys learned something new, and thanks for waiting my new video also. Goodbye for today.